Hello guys, it's Nick here again. Today I'm looking at my old laptop. This is actually a 3 years old Lenovo laptop. Let's see the model of it. So this is the Lenovo Flex 3. So you can rotate the screen like 180 degrees or 360 degrees to make it become a tablet. And it's always been a little slow, so I thought this could be a very good candidate for a SSD upgrade. So I bought this SSD. This is a Kingston A400, 480 gigabyte. It was a good deal when I bought it on the Amazon. $60, I believe. So let's take it out the old hard drive and replace it with the SSD, and then we can reinstall the system. This one is not as easy as those ThinkPads, because I saw the ThinkPads has those little panels in the back. You just take out a couple screws or 4 screws, then the hard drive is right there. You just need to pull it out and just put in a new one. But this one, you have to remove all these little tiny screws. There are 11 of them, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, 3 in the middle row. So you need to take out those 11 little screws and then take out the entire back panel first. Let's do that. So I have taken out all those 11 screws, and I have pried this one open with a seam. So we just need to keep prying it open. We already started on the front side. Let's keep doing it on the back. And don't force it too much, because these are all plastic. It's all fragile stuff. You don't want to force it and break it. Give a little shake every time when you go. Here we go. So this is the internal of the laptop, and this is the hard drive. We're going to take it out. Okay, this hard drive bracket is holding down by 2 of the tiny little screws, one on the right hand side and one on the left hand side of this little guy. So I taken both of the screws out. They're sitting right there, those 2 little guys. So now the hard drive should be able to pop out fairly easily. Let's see, by point out this way. See? You just slide it. Now we just need to take the hard drive out of this bracket and then put in the SSD into the bracket. Alright, as you can see, I just took out this tiny little 2.5-inch hard drive HDD. That's the 4 screws we've taken out from the 4 sides. From the sides, 2 on each side. Now we're ready to take this SSD and put this into the bracket and put onto this laptop. Now we got the SSD installed to where the hard drive used to be. I just put the hard drive back into the package where the SSD used to be. What took me the most of the time is the 2 little tiny screws, like this one and the one on the right. Those 2 are very, very tiny, and the threads are so fine, so it's a little hard to get them started. It definitely takes some patience to get them done, but they are done, and I'm going to put a cover back on and install the system. Now everything been put back together, and also I insert a USB as the starting or the Windows installation media, which I prepared beforehand. You guys can Google that, or my other video on the desktop update for the SSDs. I also showed how to create one from on the DVD, but this one I just did on the USB because this laptop doesn't support its DVDs. So let's press the power button. Okay, see what's gonna happen. Okay, shows the logo. Okay, after half a minute of waiting, it starts into this Windows installation screen. So from there on, you can just follow the steps and entering the language and the preference of your Windows 10 setups, and just keep going from there, and your Windows system will be reinstalled from here. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.